This one is a 1937 Underwood Universal. I'm going to show you how to use the functions and make sure they all work. Got like a flat black or a crinkle black color. To set the margins, you flip the top back here and you can see the margins right there. You just push them in like that, move them. Once you hear the bell, you're at the end of the margin. You hit the line space, gets you back to the beginning. It skips 1 or 2 spaces right now. We have it on single space. As you can see, all the keys type nice and none of them skip or stick. I will type a sentence real quick. Types really nice machine. Underwoods are always one of the top typewriter brands. Show you the print with a close-up. Got a nice print on it, nice and simple typewriter. I'll show you how to use the rest of the functions. To get the paper out easy, you just flip that switch right here and pull right out. Also allows you to load thicker paper like cardstock or carbon copy paper. Got a backspace up here in the top left. It's got a color selector switch. If you had a different color ribbon right now, we have a solid black ribbon, so we will just keep it on blue. It just determines on how high this vibrator goes up. If you have it on red, it goes up higher, which allows you to hit the bottom of the ribbon, which is usually the red color. It's got a touch control. This just loads a spring on the keys. To the lower the tension, the easier you can hit the keys, and the higher the tension, you gotta hit them a little harder. So that's a personal preference. It's got ribbon direction control here. You just wind it. If you want it to go pull to that side, you just push it down. All the ribbons on this side, brand new ribbon, so we want it to pull to that side, which it does. And that's about it. It's got a shift lock, works good. This is the double or single space lever here. So if you push it down, it'll be a double space. And if you have it on up, it's a single space. That's it. Now available on eBay or Etsy. Search Brooksaw Antiques.